Snow cream. Hey y'all, Dana here. Let's make some snow cream. A lot of you out there are getting snow. What do we do in the South when we get a lot of snow? We turn it into snow cream. That's ice cream, okay? Y'all need this recipe because y'all can make this like that and it will have lots of delicious fun for your family and the snow that you're getting. Now, I don't have any snow right here yet, but I'm gonna get my base ready so that when the snow comes, I'll be able to just stir that in and we'll have us some snow cream real quick. Now, snow cream is on page 102 of my cookbook. See this right here? 102. And it tells you my recipe, my family's recipe going back for generations on how to make snow cream. Write this down, people. I will also post it below, but you're gonna need this recipe and it's so simple. The first thing you're gonna do is send somebody out to get snow, okay? Now, this is my biggest bowl and I need about 2 to 3 gallons. So you give them a spoon, you give them this, and you send them out to get snow. Now look, y'all, you get the clean snow. I mean, we would get snow off the top of the slide, and we never went down deep, so we would get dirt. If you start seeing dirt, you quit getting that. And for sure, don't get any yellow snow, okay? Yellow snow is no good. So anyway, go off the top of your car, but remember, leave some, never go all the way down. Just get the very top off the snow. You need about 2 to 3 gallons, depending on how many people you're feeding. So you go, send somebody out with a spoon and a bowl and go get the snow. And y'all, you're gonna love this, my family does. As a matter of fact, my son, one time we were flying home from Colorado. My other son was in the Air Force Academy, so we were flying home and he actually gave my snow cream recipe to a lady from Ohio because she had never heard of it. So anyway, this is gonna be good. This is how you make the base. You're gonna take 2 cups of sugar and you're gonna take 2 cups of milk. Okay, y'all. I'm gonna tell you something about the milk. You can use straight milk, this is whole milk, and you can add whipping cream to it, or you can use all whipping cream, or you can even use evaporated milk. So I'm gonna tell you that any combination of that's good, any one of them by itself is good. But if I have it, the heavy cream or the whipping cream, I always make sure I put some of that in there because y'all, it just turns the creaminess over the top. So I'm gonna add that, and then the rest of it, I put about half a cup in there. The rest of it's going to be milk, okay? Just whole milk. But anyway, I'm gonna tell you this too. I've made it before with straight evaporated milk, and y'all, it is delicious too. It adds a great creaminess. The next thing we gotta do is add our vanilla. And when I find my measuring spoon, I'm gonna add it. There it is. I need 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Now, if you want it more vanilla-y, you add more. If you want it less, you add less. Easy so far, right? Get your whisk, pour it in here, and stir it together until the sugar dissolves, okay? So this is the base for your snow cream. Now, y'all look, I need y'all to make you some snow cream for your family. I'm gonna tell you, they will love it. This is how we used to do growing up and when I had my children at home. We would get up, we would wrap up and bundle up and go out in the snow, and my husband would go around and he would take all this and get the good snow, the clean snow, and bring it into me, and then I would be making the snow cream. I would go play with them, and then I would come back out when I was getting tired, and I'd make that snow cream, because when they got in, they all wanted snow cream. All right, so all I did, let's mix this together. And now, like I said, I don't have any snow, but I'm gonna tell you what to do next. You bring your big thing of snow in, and you get a bigger bowl than this, you know, and you pour it in there, and you add snow a little at a time and stir it up. And stir it up. And y'all, eventually, you keep adding, and it's gonna look like homemade ice cream. And then the job is yours as the cook to taste of it and make sure it tastes good. Now see, I'm gonna taste of this and let you know what it tastes like. I'm gonna say, if this tastes like vanilla ice cream, we're good to go. Oh yeah, And I know you may say, when you tasted this, you're gonna see it's really, really sweet. But when you dilute it, with 2 to 3 gallons of snow, it's gonna be just right. So I'm gonna tell y'all, if you got snow, you get out there and get you some and make you some snow cream. Your kids, your hubby, your neighbor's gonna love it. One time I made some for my neighbor, this elderly lady. She was actually used to be my 4th grade teacher, but I made her some snow cream because she was by herself, and I sent one of the kids up there with some snow cream, and she was like, oh my goodness, this is the best snow cream I've ever had. And that meant a lot coming from her because she was a foodie, okay? So the difference is, say a prayer over it so that people, let the Lord, if you say a prayer over your food and ask the Lord to bless it and for those to feel his love that eat it, just takes it over the top. But anyway, this is how you add it and make the snow cream. Just stir it in, and then you've got some delicious snow cream. Y'all, your family's gonna love it. From this Southern mama to you, y'all go make you some snow cream. And I'm gonna tell you what I always tell you. The good Lord, he loves you a lot, and I do too. Y'all go have a really, really good snow day. Make some snow cream. Bye.